Okay, starting a video. So what we have here is, let's show the antenna. So first of all, we're going up here and we've got a antenna mount, and I'm going to go up the ladder a little bit so you can see it. And it's basically just a 5.8 dBi antenna, and then it's mounted up there. So I've got the bracket here. I've got the ground built in there, as you can see. Okay, so it's moving a little bit with the wind, but hopefully it'll stay. It's pretty low in the house, so. And then we go down, and we're gonna go back down, and we go to the ground rod with the ground wire. Of course, we have other ones too. And then I know this is gonna be a mess, but we've this is it back here. We've got type N to ground, to the ground block, which also goes down to the ground rod, and you've got the coax with the two type ends.